And we're taking a live look outside right now. This is what it looks like from Fort Myers Beach for the pink shell there. You can see Sanibel there in the distance, and a little hazy as we're starting to see that drier air work its way in, as well as that Saharan dust. But the storms, they're done for the night. We're going to be gradually clearing across the area through the overnight hours for us. Temperatures right now in the low 80s. I think ultimately get down to the mid 70s through the overnight hours. Speaking of tomorrow, though, starting with some sunshine out there and with drier air working its way in, do expect a little bit warmer temperatures. Going 95, Arcadia, LaBelle, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, 96 in Immokalee. How about down in Naples at 91 degrees out there? It's going to be a toasty day, especially when you add in the humidity. Feels like temperatures in the triple digits in the afternoon. Can see as high as about 102, 105 into the later days, parts of the day. But we will see some rain showers, even with the drier air moving their way in. Starting to see that starting about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think peak storm coverage will be right around 5 o'clock. But with that Saharan dust around, could see the air a little bit more electrified out there tomorrow. So do look for some intense lightning with those storms that move on through. Do expect those to quickly break up by about 6, 7 o'clock into the evening. So as quickly as they form, they will dissipate again with that drier air around the area tomorrow. But it is a big day for our students across Southwest Florida. Back to school in the morning hours. We do expect right around 76 degrees tomorrow with plenty of sunshine, and then we'll slowly build a little bit in terms of that cloud, partly sunny later by noontime, 90 degrees. As the kids leave school, 95. Again, with those feels like temperatures, triple digits, that's when we'll start to see those isolated showers and storms. I think you should be okay for any recess or any outdoor activities, maybe gym class out there tomorrow. And speaking of tomorrow, we're looking at a nice day to be out in the waterways, especially in the morning hours before those storms move in. South winds at 10 to 15 knots, seas right around 2-3 feet. Moderate chop that inland waterways, Gulf temperature at 88 degrees. Now, with the dry air around from the Saharan dust, not going to completely shut off our rain chances. I'm looking at 20-30% the next 3 days for you. And then as the dust starts to dissipate, we will see those rain chances start to return on Saturday and Sunday. Let's break that down a little bit further for you. There's that dust moving in here tonight, and we do expect, again, overhead of us on Wednesday, on Thursday for you, and it will start to filter out as we get into a Friday. But I think there'll still be enough Friday that we'll still see that impact from that drier air. Elsewhere in the tropics, we're continuing to watch Invest at 97, just to the south and west of the Cabo Verde Islands. Downgrade a little bit less favorable here tonight. 20% chance over the next 2 days, 30% chance over the next 5 days. What's going on here? They dropped it from 40% over the next 5 days here tonight because battling a little bit of drier air and some wind shear, which means a little bit less likely to form. I still think that this will make its way as a tropical wave across the pond here, but not looking at any potential of that coming here to Florida, which is great news on that department. 7-day forecast for you. Again, still a few showers around the next 3 days for you, though with dust breaking up. Do expect increasing rain chances, slightly cooler temperatures as we head into next week.